What constitutes illegal possession of stolen firearms in Louisiana? Illegal possession of stolen firearms is the intentional possessing, procuring, receiving, or concealing of a firearm which has been the subject of any form of misappropriation. Essentially, it is illegal to possess a firearm when you know that it was stolen. Even if you are not the person who stole the firearm, you could be facing this charge if you bought the gun from someone else and you know it was stolen. Pawn shops have the defense to illegal possession if they regularly sell firearms and they are licensed. Now let's talk about the penalties this charge carries. Whoever commits the crime of illegal possession of firearms shall be punished as follows. For a first offense, the penalty shall be imprisonment with or without hard labor for not less than 1 year, nor more than 5 years. For second and subsequent offenses, the penalty shall be imprisonment with or without hard labor for not less than 2 years, nor more than 10 years. I hope this video helps you understand the charge of illegal possession of stolen firearms in Louisiana. If you need a criminal defense attorney for this charge, give me a call. I'd be happy to help.